Rather I can say there is a worst culprit responsible for this, that is the carbon dioxide. It has been seen that carbon dioxide contributes I must say the enhanced global warming. It's not possible to have life on the earth. It should have been, it's not like that. There are other potential gases as well, but carbon dioxide is main culprit for the global warming. There are different sources. You have the mobile sources, you have the stationary sources from which this carbon dioxide gas gets emitted.
To the age of 25, they repent a lot. You are not going to learn simply the questions or the syllabi from your books to qualify exam. You have to explore yourself. You have to see what are the possible options available in the world and how you are going to grow. Bhatt Sahab has given you so many options. Even if you have got at home 1 canal or 2 canals of land, आप वहाँ से business कर सकते हैं, even as student. I'm from Srinagar. I know how much people are earning from this flowering, from this plantation business. In fact, there are some people who are having now very big vehicles.
Our great saint Sheikh Nuruddin Nurani, unposted. It was our ex-Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi who said that growing tree is the symbol of progress to nation. बहुत सारे हैं Rubinia pseudoacacia, जिसको locally kicker was 1919 when it was introduced in the Shankaracharya hillocks. तीसरा है फर, Abies pinro, कहते हैं फर छुना, बुदुल छुना. चौथा है रेई बुदुल, Picea simthiana. इसके बाद है Cuprus torlosa, कहते हैं सर्वोकुल छुना. ठीक है ना? इसके बाद है Cryptomeria japonica. इसके बाद है थूजा. बहुत सारे. पर लेकिन ये जो है ये कॉनिफर्स है, ये सदाबहार है, ये एवरग्रीन ट्रीज है. और अगर हम आज देखें ये कॉनिफर्स दे आर नॉट यूज्ड फॉर द एफॉरेस्टेशन और द रिफॉरेस्टेशन पर्पस. दिस इज द सीड वी हैव एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम देम. नाउ दिस इज द सिलेक्शन ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट्री. वी आर एट द फैकल्टी लेवल, वी आर हैविंग स्टूडेंट्स थ्रू द कंट्री, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम कंट्री, वी आर हैविंग इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान, फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज. So we are giving them a practical training. Dr. Fayaz Saab is also from the same very situation, from same very pattern, has done his doctorate. So we give them a practical training that after completion of their degree, they will also become job providers. I hope most of you will pay attention to this my experience, what I am sharing with you, and inshallah you will be also job providers, not job seekers. Right? These are the selection of the forestries. Then these are our students, UG students, undergraduate students who are doing BSc forestry. We go with them and we tell them different ways how to collect the seeds, these seeds from the forestries. Then after this, UG students, they are harvested. This is the skilled person we have hired. He is harvesting. He has harvested from the standing trees. Then they are collecting them. Only one thing is there. If one coon is infested with a borer, उसमें बोर करता है, आपको दिखेगा नहीं. अगर आपको कहीं लगता है इसमें डस्ट थोड़ा निकलता है, उसको थ्रो करना है. इस लॉट के साथ उसको नहीं रखना, क्योंकि आपकी सारी मेहनत ज़ाया हो जाएगी. तो इसके बाद ये जो कलेक्शन है, ये कून कलेक्शन फिर सिट्रस दिदारा की. अब ये है, दिस इज द सिट्रस दिदारा कून, दीज आर द सीड्स. This is the Pinus vollicina, or cave. इसको कॉयर कहते हैं. These are empty cones of the Pinus vollicina. This is Cuprus torlosa cones. Now, I have seeds with me, dried seeds with me. So after this, we have extracted the seeds. These are the Abies pinro, जिसको फर बोलते हैं, the cones. It's a different stage. What happens during the maturity? Now it's transportation. After इसके अंदर बीज होता है और इनको पूरा फटने में 1 महीना हम उसको विद इन 7 days इनके एक्सट्रैक्शन हो जाएगी. ठीक. तो इसके बाद अगर हम देखेंगे, इसके बाद हाँ, दिस इज देन सीड प्रोसेसिंग. आवर स्टूडेंट्स दे आर Cuprus torlosa cones, दे आर नाउ एक्सट्रैक्टिंग सीड्स. सिंपली इसको शेकिंग करनी है और कुछ नहीं करना है. ठीक. तो ये है क्यूप्रस टॉर्बोसा, ये शेकिंग कर रहे हैं. These are the citrus Deodara cones. After 1 month, they are now extracting seeds. Our UV students doing this under our guidance. So this before cleaning, these are the seeds. And after cleaning, when we have removed this trash material, this is the clean seed, which you can store even for years. Right? But in urban parts or in the gunny bags and use at the time when there is not good seed here. इतना सीड फिर भी एक चीज करते हैं, हम देखते हैं जर्मिनेशन कैपेसिटी. हम देखते हैं जर्मिनेशन कैपेसिटी क्या है. इस देवदार सीड हम इसको जो बाकी रहते हैं ना इसमें साउथ बीच में बाकी बीज हम इसको काटते हैं, अंदर से देखते हैं क्या एम्ब्रियो लिविंग है. अगर एम्ब्रियो लिविंग है 28 दिन के बाद भी तो हम इसको काउंट करते हैं एज ए वाइट जो है ना चोकिंग हो लेते हैं. तो इसको क्या करना है, ये पॉलीथीन ये जहर है या इसमें पानी डालना है, इसको ऐसे प्रेस करना है ना, प्रेस करना क्या ना, प्रेस मिट्टी इसके साथ इंटैक्ट रही. इस पॉलीथीन लिफाफे क्रॉस लगाएंगे ब्रेड से, इसको पॉलीथीन को फेंकेंगे और अलॉन्ग विथ दिस रूट सॉइल हम इसको पिट्स में जो हम तो दो जो बड़े वहां लगाएंगे. 7 for your service. If anybody from this college he wants to become an entrepreneur, we are ready. He can take my number, he can take my mail, and he can ring me anytime. I'm here. We are ready for the technical guidance. We are ready to provide the seed, and we have sir brought the 2 just plants saplings which you should go for the planting of them. The seeds I am sir ये seed of this is nutritious seed. Financial guidance sir. ये इसको आप ये ऊपर से उठाइए तो बाकी ये जो सीड है आप इसको टेस्ट कीजिए, भर दीजिए लिफाफों में और इसमें तो आप ये रेज कर सकते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर द पेशेंट केयरिंग.
Thank you very much, Bhatt Sahab. I think my student.
I have planted more than 7-8 lakh plants. We have raised every year we are raising more than 2 lakh plants in our nurseries. I have in district Kupwara 4-5 nurseries. One is in Chandigarh, one is in Gulgaon, one is in Badarkal, and one nursery in Chogal. Last year, our department.
Thankful to them, Fayaz Saab, Bhatt Saab, GM Bhatt Saab. They have come here and they are educating our students what is the future for a particular society or a particular area in the form of forestation, in the form of plantation, and how they are going to improve their economy through this forestation or through the plantation. Everywhere the society is because of the agricultural thing. चाहे food हो या livestock ho, everything is around the same. So what I believe, whatever guidance they have given to our students, to our faculty, I think in the long run it's going to pay. But big thing is at least they should on regular basis have interaction with our students so that they always get updated.